How to fix grayed out settings on your Samsung smart television. So if you're on your settings menu and you're trying to click on a certain item, but this item is either grayed out or it's not letting you click, then there's actually a couple of ways we can go and fix this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just head over to your Samsung home screen, and you can do that by pressing the home button located on your TV remote. Now, once you're on the home menu, scroll over to the left-hand side, and you'll see this option here called sources. So just go ahead and select sources, and then we can scroll up in this navigation. And the first thing we're going to try doing is swapping to a different input mode. So if you're currently on HDMI 1, you can try and swap over to your television. If you're already on your television, you might have to swap over to HDMI 1. And once you've changed the input mode, you can head back over to your television settings, and you should now be able to click on all of the different items available. Now, if this is not working, another way to fix this is if you just come back over to the home menu, you can then scroll across to settings on the left hand side and click on this. You can then scroll up to all of these different setting options, and if you have something on here called intelligent mode, now I don't actually have this feature on my television, but if you do see a setting here called intelligent mode, just make sure this is turned off and disabled, and once again you can check back on your settings and that should have now solved that issue.